Alright, my name is Boati Edupoku, index number 52210401882. Then I'll be taking you through wrapping text and then adding borders and shading. So when we talk about wrapping a text, when you want all the content in the text to be visible in a cell, you use wrapping text. So wrapping text displays all the content in a cell on multiple lines. And then it also prevents text from overflowing into adjacent cells. So when you want to wrap a text, here are the simple steps. You first select the cell or the cells where you want to wrap the text. The second step is you go to the Home tab, and then the last step, in the alignment group, click on the wrap text button. So we will move on to our next slide. So in the borders and shading, adding borders and shading to fill a cell is a great way to make our data more organized and easy to read. Most spreadsheet programs offer similar features, and they are typically found on the Home tab. Now, to add borders and shading to a cell, you need to follow some simple steps. And then the first step is you select the cell you want to format. And then the next step is on the Home tab in the font group, click the borders drop down menu and then choose the preset border option. Here, the preset border option can be all borders, outside borders, or bottom borders. This is the end of this lesson. Thank you.